hello. I hope you guys are doing well and happy Sunday. It is another hot and toasty day, but let's see. I originally was feeling like the birthday blues this year. I don't know what got into me, but I was not feeling it. And Friday was my birthday. And I will say, I felt so loved. Everyone, my coworkers, friends, family, just kind of all reached out, wishing me a wonderful birthday. So definitely felt the love. And then yesterday, which was Saturday, Travis took me out and we had a wonderful massage. He booked a couples massage and it was so pretty. This is the first time I've been to this place and it was so aesthetic, so pretty. It was an 80-minute massage and let me tell you, it was so needed. We were like in heaven. It felt so good. And then we went to the kids' house and they had beautiful birthday cupcakes there for me and a nice little gift, and I got to spend some time with the kiddos. So I had a wonderful, relaxing Saturday. It was a Saturday well spent amongst my loved ones, but now it is Sunday, back to reality, and we're gonna be doing a Sunday reset vlog. So basically I have some cleaning to do. I'm gonna be cooking dinner, and I don't know why. Okay, I have had these breadcrumbs from like a stuffing mix since last Thanksgiving, and it said used by May. It said used by, so I'm gonna make it today, and I think I'm gonna be making, well, I know I'm gonna be making a roasted chicken, stuffing, roasted broccoli, and then probably some cranberry sauce on the side for Travis because he likes to eat that with his stuffing. So it's gonna be like a wannabe Thanksgiving meal, but it's really not, but it really is. I don't know, but so yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and cook some dinner. That way we can have leftovers, and I am the queen of leftovers. I love when we have leftovers because it means we have extra food for lunches the next day, and I don't have to cook the next day because we have plenty of food to eat. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and it's just organizing and getting the house in order. So I'm looking forward to that because there's no better feeling than starting off the week organized, and it just sets the vibe for the week. So first thing first, I bought some roses yesterday because they were on sale, and I will not pass up a good sale on fresh cut flowers. So I'm gonna get those guys in the vase because the flowers I have in the vase right now are all dead. And then after that, I need to take my chicken out and season it, and that way I can stick it back in the fridge and it can marinate. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do some dinner prep right now and get going, because if not, I will find any excuse to just kind of relax and watch TV, and I need to get this place in order. Dirty these pendants are. We're about to make them nice and clean because I cannot stand that they're so like hazy looking or just full of dirt. So time to clean this. Here's the after. It's not the cleanest. I feel like you have to just keep going over it over and over and over to get every smudge out, but in person it's such a huge difference. Here's the clean one, there's the dirty one. So I have to clean the other pendant, this one here, but so much better. Okay, I'm taking a break. All I did was clean the pendants and I'm so tired. But Travis went to the grocery store and look what he got me. I tried to diet, but right, Travis? Every time I send him to the grocery store, he comes back with chocolates and I have no willpower. I love some Reese cups. Oh, you know what? Is it Reese's or Reese's?
Reese's.
He says they're Reese's. I don't know why I always say Reese's, but oh well. We're about to take a little Reese's break. Okay, I have made it back to the office because I'm going to start vacuuming this room here and then make my way into the living room. But I'm getting distracted and I need to stop. But I wanted to show you guys something. So yesterday when I went to the kids' house for my birthday, they gave me the most practical, the most smartest gift to give me. I give it to them. First of all, I love the packaging. Is that not cute? And it's flowers. Love it. But I needed this so bad. They gave me this for my birthday. It's a mug with a little heating tray because when I drink my coffee in the morning, I don't know about you guys, I promise you, I will reheat my coffee about 10 times, my morning coffee, before I finish 1 cup of coffee. I don't like cold coffee that's meant to be hot. I don't know if it's just in my head. So, and I've always been this way. They gave me this. Is that not smart? I'm so happy they gave me this and I'll be putting it to good use tomorrow morning when I start work. I will be drinking a nice cup of coffee in my new little mug and it'll stay hot for me all morning long. So I'm sure Travis will be very thankful for this because sometimes he'll get up and reheat my coffee along with the many times I'll reheat it. So it saves us lots of time in the morning. So excited to put this guy into use because this was very much needed. Okay, I promise I need to get to cleaning and I'm gonna stop getting distracted because anytime I turn here, turn there, oh, let me do this, and my cleaning is kind of pushed to the side. So, and I'll regret it if I don't get this home clean. So let's get going. Okay, that was a workout, but I wanted to show you something. My golden pothos, the ones that I have on my mantle, are not doing great. I left them out one night by accident, and ever since then, they have just been slowly withering away. Let me show you their current state right now. I've been watering them, and I don't know if they have insects or anything on them, but they're just slowly dying. And mind you, these plants, I've had them for 2 years, never had an issue until I accidentally left them out overnight, but I don't know what else to do. So I'm going to research and see what could be going wrong, but they are slowly just not doing well. And it's another hot one, guys. It's like about 105 degrees outside. I'm staying inside my home, have no desire to be out in that heat. Dinner turned out amazing. Here's some brown gravy. We have some roasted broccoli, stuffing, and the bird. Here's a whole roasted chicken, and I couldn't help myself when I tasted a little piece. It was so amazing. It's so good. So now we're gonna go ahead and eat dinner.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
Okay, we have just wrapped up dinner, and I will say the stuffing was yum. What did you think of the stuffing?
Good.
It was good, right?
Yeah.
We packed lunches. That way when we go to work, we have a nice hearty lunch. Hopefully I don't get into a food coma. So we're just gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen. I will say, guys, the kitchen in this home is well loved. We're always in this kitchen. I am always cooking, baking, and if I'm not doing, someone else is in this kitchen. So our kitchen is put to good use. It's a very well loved kitchen. So we're always washing dishes, cooking, baking, repeat. So it's a nonstop job here. But now once we get everything cleaned up, I'm gonna freshen up and I'm gonna bake some chocolate chip cookies in the oven. Just the Nestle Toll House cookies that you buy at the grocery store. Typically I make my homemade chocolate chip cookies and they are so yummy. And with fall coming soon, lots of baking on my channel. has been a long day. The home feels so clean, it feels so good, and lunches are packed, and I love when I reset on a Sunday because it really does set the tone for the week. So I am going to sign off. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, and I am patiently waiting for this cookie to cool off since I just took it out the oven. But again, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.